Good evening po. My name is Jessel G. Obnimaga at ito po ang aking peer-to-peer. Punctuality, average of 3. Dependability, average of 2.75. Product knowledge, 2.75. Sales skills, 3. Work quantity, 3. Work quality, 2.75. Communication, 3. Solution-oriented, 3. Flexibility, 2.75. And team player is 2.75. Ang average score ko ay 2.875, which is very good. Check as applicable, problem solver, masaya kasama, matyaga, masinop. No other comments. Self-awareness, base sa nabasa ko rito, ang dapat ko pa i-improve ay, para sa aking sarili, need ko po i-improve ang FB posting or page inquiries para mas effective ang online orders namin. Natuwa ako sa mga nabanggit tungkol sa akin at gusto ko pa po umasenso sa trabaho ko. Yun lang po at maraming salamat po.